Hey everyone, I'm Arshit and you're watching Connecting Arts English. Please subscribe, like, and share my channel so I will be motivated for editing technical videos like this. So let's start it. Today I'm gonna continue our portfolio with Python series. So now let's get started. And in previous video I have given you an assignment for that social links. And guys, now I will show you a demo of what we are gonna build. So this is what we are gonna build. This is what. So here you have an intro page, then you have this page. This is only for YouTubers who have a YouTube channel, and if you are not, then you can simply put this. No need to put this video. Then you can ask anything to the bot, and this is working. If I ask anything, then it is working. Hi, I am Iris the shit. Okay, it is saying here I am Iris shit and you are a professional programmer with the code. Okay, it is working. This bot is working. So guys, now I'm gonna show you one thing. If I write what do you made, then let's see. So I have made a lot. I have created a basic HTML Microsoft application, and you can read this, and this is working. This is working application. This is live hosted. You can see. If you will write the URL ros.streamlit.app, then you will saw this page. After that, you have my setup page. Here you can make your setup. You can describe your setup. Here you have my skills section. I have described my skills here. Then we have gallery section. Then work with us. Alice73@gmail.com and social media. So this is that thing. Then we have about me page. And by the way, I have generated this readme from the ChatGPT. I have provided some prompts to generate, and that my self introduction video. I have also provided a transcript to generate this. So that's why you can see the words that is read in my self introduction video. You can see them here also. So guys, this is what we are, and we have to build this website. So now let's do it. So firstly, let's add our social media section. So firstly, let's write ht.title, then social media, then ht.write. Then you have to paste your links. You can paste Twitter links, Instagram links. There are so many platforms. Right now I just have two, so I will paste two. My GitHub and my YouTube. GitHub's link. Now I'm gonna change a bit here because I want to make it awesome. Then this one, we are gonna fix some bugs here also. So YouTube link. Then let's see, rerun, and you will see that kind of this interface. Now you will get this section also. So guys, now I will make you an assignment, one more assignment guys, and that is make this gallery by yourself. This is just 3 columns and 2 rows. You can add as much as you want. So build it. Then we will meet next day. So guys, this is you have to build this one. You can also copy from this rs.streamlit.app. You can search this URL on the web browser, and then you can go downside, and you can also copy my images. So for copying my images, you can simply right click and save images. Just do this, and after that your images will be saved. So that's it guys. This is the video. I hope you liked the video. Thank you guys. Thanks for the video.